Just finished speed painting your units and want them ready in no time? Check this out! A fast upgrade to your bases without having to spend time. Everything is already painted. Just glue the topper, glue the miniature and you're all set to throw some dice. Easy, eye-catching bases in minutes. Available in multiple round sizes, they are painted in full and 3D shaped. Meet our first two themes. Explore the Molten Lava, or venture into the chill of the Frost Lake. You can also add 1 or 2 grass tufts to make your toppers look even better. Easy and straightforward, no painting whatsoever. Low effort and high results. GamersGrass Battle Ready Toppers. Base your forces in no time.